In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on Roblox. So to change your display name on Roblox, the first thing you will want to do is head over to Roblox, and for me it is in my game launcher and it's not displayed as one of my apps, so what I can do is open up game launcher, and then as you can see you will now see an option for Roblox. Once you click on Roblox, it will open up the game, and all you simply need to do from here is click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Click on the three dots and scroll down until you find the settings tab. Click on the settings tab and then you will now need to select account info. Once you select account info, it will load all of the information up on your account info, and as you can see at the top there is an option for display name. And first of all, this will not change your username, so if you click on username, what that will show you is that you will need to go ahead and buy Robux in order to change your username. But if you want to change your display name, what you can do is click on the pencil icon and you can change this to whatever you like. Once you have entered in the username that you want, all you simply need to do is click on save, and as you can see your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So if you are happy with that, you can click on save. And then as you can see, the display name has now been changed on Roblox, guys. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.